Good morning. If you're over 40 and feeling the stiff, achy lower back pain every time you get out of bed, this quick flow is for you. I'm Paola, Yoga After 40, and in the next 15 minutes, we're doing a gentle beginner-friendly morning yoga routine to help you relieve stiffness, improve flexibility, and set your spine up for a pain-free day. Now let me know in the comments, what's the first thing you notice that feels stiff first thing in the morning? Is it your back, your neck, your hips? Now if you're ready to start feeling better today, please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe so we can help other people find this video so they can be pain-free. And if you're ready, we're gonna start today on a child's pose. So either taking the knees together or knees mat width apart, bringing the toes to touch. We're gonna wrap the arms around the legs, taking the forehead to the mat. Just taking a moment to connect to your breath. Now reach the arms forward and now start walking both hands towards the right side of the mat. Taking the left hand on top of the right, opening the left side of the body. Maybe resting your forehead on the left arm. Now walk the hands back to center. And now walk both hands towards the left. Reaching the right arm on top of the left and placing your forehead on top of the right arm. Coming back to center. We're gonna press ourselves coming into all fours, tabletop. And we're gonna take some cat-cows. So we're gonna press the mat away, spreading all 10 fingers, stacking the shoulders over the wrist and the hips over the knees. Slightly look up, dropping the belly, taking the shoulders away from the ears. Taking a deep breath in, and on your exhale, round the spine, press the mat away, chin to chest, navel in. Inhale, come all the way up. Exhale, round the spine, chin to chest. Inhale. Exhale. Coming back to neutral, we're gonna take the left hand few inches to the right, and we're gonna take the right arm all the way up to the sky, looking at the right fingertips, taking a twist in here. Inhale. Exhale, take the right arm under the left arm, thread the needle. You can keep your left hand on the mat. Maybe you reach your left arm forward. Maybe you take the right arm around the back to grab your right inner thigh. Keeping the hips lifted. Enjoying this yummy stretch, yummy twist of the spine. Now we're gonna take the left hand back to the mat. We're gonna sweep the right arm all the way up to the sky. Inhale. Exhale, bring it down. Beautiful job. We're gonna do the other side by stepping the right hand few inches to the left, taking the left arm all the way up to the sky, looking at the left fingertips, taking a twist in here. Inhale, exhale, thread the needle, left arm under the right arm. Options to stay where you are, maybe taking the right arm forward, maybe taking the right arm around the back, grabbing the left inner thigh. And there's other options in here, but let's just keep it simple today. Take one more breath in here. Now right hand goes back to the mat, press yourself up. Inhale, reach the left arm all the way up to the sky, and on the exhale, bring it down. Beautiful job. We're gonna be coming into a puppy pose, so we're gonna keep the hips where they are, and now we're gonna start walking the hands forward, taking the forehead and the chest towards the mat. Maybe just taking the chest, so do what feels good for you. You can come high on your fingertips. Make sure that your hips remain in place, so your hips are still stacked over the heels. Over the knees. Then slowly bring the hands back, so we're coming back into our tabletop. And now find yourself in a seated position, coming into your forward fold. So we're gonna take the legs towards the front of the mat, flex your feet, that way you're stretching the whole back side of the legs, we're stretching the hamstrings, toes are facing up. We're sitting up tall in here, we reach the arms all the way up, and we take a deep breath in, and on the exhale with a flat back we fold forward, maybe grabbing the toes, grabbing the heels, maybe you micro bend the knees. Take one more breath in here. And now come all the way back to seated. So now we're gonna bring the right knee towards the chest, and we're gonna step the right foot on the outside of the left leg, bringing the knees a little closer to the chest, or the knee closer to the chest. Sitting up tall. Now we're gonna reach the left arm all the way up, and we're gonna take the left elbow towards the right knee and take the right arm behind the back. Keeping a straight back, so this is your kickstand. Looking over the right shoulder. If you can take a twist where your right elbow is towards, your left elbow presses the right knee, feel free just to grab the leg with your left arm and look over the right shoulder. Remember, you have the option to take a deeper twist on your next exhale. Just make sure that you keep a straight back. You're lengthening the spine. Now slowly release, and we take the right leg to meet the left at the front of the mat, and we bring the left knee towards the chest. Take it over the right leg, so your left foot is grounded on the right side. Giving the left knee a hug, sitting up tall, rolling the shoulders back. Now we take the right elbow to the left knee and we take the left arm back. If that's not available, grab the knee with your right arm and just keep looking over the left shoulder. Now slowly release. Take your left leg to the front of the mat to meet your right. And we're slowly gonna come all the way down. So we're laying flat on the mat. We bring the knees to the chest, giving ourselves a hug, rocking side to side. Coming into your happy baby. Bend the knees, grab the outside of your feet, pulling the knees a little closer to the chest, rocking side to side. Now we're gonna take the feet width apart. Taking the arms by the side, we're gonna windshield the knees in and out. We bring the knees back to the chest. We give ourselves a hug, lifting up the chest, taking the forehead towards the knees, giving yourself a hug, taking a deep breath in here. And then slowly on your exhale, we're gonna take the arms by the side and we're gonna drop both knees towards the right side, keeping the left shoulder grounded on the mat and looking over the left shoulder for a gentle twist. Maybe you take your right hand on top of the left knee, softening the breath, maybe closing the eyes. And now we bring both knees back to center. And we release both knees towards the left side. Right shoulder grounded on the mat, looking over the right shoulder. Feeling the difference in the body as when we first step into the mat. Make sure that you keep this video, you keep this practice, so you can practice it every morning whenever you feel stiff. And again, let me know in the comment section below what you want to see next. Let me know if there's anything else besides your back and your hips that feels a little tight every morning. And I'll be more than happy to do a video for you. Whenever you're ready, bring the knees back to center, keeping the toes together, heels together, coming into your Baddha Konasana. Knees are facing out. Left hand goes to your heart, right hand goes to your belly, letting the armpits breathe. And just surrendering here. And help me build a community of strong people over 40. Remember, I'm here for you. I want to help you, I want to inspire you, I want to uplift you. I want you to understand that getting older, being over 40, 50, 60, and 70s is something that we should be embracing. Aging is beautiful, it's a gift from God, that we're still here, that we still have a purpose. I love you all. Hope you have a beautiful day wherever you are. Thank you so much for letting me be part of your beautiful journey. And stay here on your mat for as long as you need to. And don't forget to check out my new supplement line, Forever Strong, so you can keep getting stronger from the inside out.